When winter arrives in Kashmir, the roads don't just lead to a destination, they lead to a dream. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, Gulmarg transforms into a white paradise, where silence speaks and snow tells stories. Every snowflake feels like a blessing, soft, pure and timeless. As we rise above the clouds, the world below fades and peace takes over. Here, winter isn't just a season, it's an experience. As the sun sets, Gulmarg glows, painting the snow with shades of gold. In Gulmarg, nights are calm, cold, and incredibly beautiful. This is not just a journey, this is Gulmarg in winter.